Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-kilometer mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.